What's up, guys? Welcome back. Jimmy Kurosaki, Patreon request from Emmanuel, keeping the cyberpunk spirit alive. So let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, side sort of small character. Don't even remember him in the show. But let's draw him. So, eyes. Center point about here, come up over to the right. I'm going to start with his eyes. Very simply drawn eyes, carving over like so. Bottom eyelid line here. And then just comes around for tear ducts just there. His iris coming down from the top eyelid line. No pupils because his eyes are just pink and blue. We do have an eyelid line there. No eyebrows, just dots sort of there. Other eye, same thing. Measure eye width fits in between. So like you can fit an eye in between his two eyes. And then curving up and over. Bottom eyelid line. Tear duct. Iris, half circle coming down like so. Well, semicircle or half circle. Eyelid lines over like that. And then more piercings. Well, I think they're piercings just there. So his nose is kind of weird, right? So there's like this gold plate. So if we were to do it like a normal nose, start like that, just with nostrils, right? But we gotta like elaborate on this. So we go down to a little V, sort of shape like that. And then it kind of sticks out the side as if it was like nostrils, you know, normal nose. But then he has like another little arrow or something here. And then this thing comes all the way around. So like, it's like a zigzag sort of line all the way up to his forehead. Comes out, in, out, in, right? Same on this side. Out, in, out, in. And then this has like what, like bull horns or something just coming up here. Like so. More or less. I'm going to give like a little sort of line down the middle just to make it look a bit 3D, I think. So his mouth, fairly basic, downturned. Like so. And then he has like a mustache, but it's just like drawn on like lines like that. And then his chin, roughly there. Proportions are standard human, so here to here is about the same as here to here. So eyes to bottom of his nose is about the same as bottom of the nose to chin, roughly. Say like top eyelid to there, about the same as there to there. Okay, and then bottom of the nose to the bottom lip area, like under his mouth, the bottom lip, is about the same as bottom lip to chin, roughly. So here, say the nostrils to the bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Then we can go for his jaw. You're stopping about mouth level underneath the sort of corners of his eyes there. That's where his jaw will change direction and go up. Right, so we'll go same over here, like that. He has another gold plate on his chin. Like so. And his cheekbones kind of come in here. Earrings hanging off his ears. Just draw them in just around his earlobes. So this is like his earlobe area. And then the rest of his ear just comes around here. He's got sideburns just beside the ear and the eye, little V's there. And then ear lines inside the easiest way, letter J. Like this. It's kind of a J shape, it always reminds me of like a curvy T or letter J. And then we have lines on the inside. More little. Oh, and piercings on his ear. And then his hairline. So he's got like long hair and short hair. So we'll go up this way first. Just for the hairline. The shaved sides, right? And roughly like your forehead's about the same size as your nose. So here to here, we'll bring you up to sort of like where his hairline sort of starts, right? So it's kind of like curved across. Right, so say like the bottom of the nose to those piercings is about the same as piercings to his hair there. And there's like a couple of little spikes here. And it goes down that way. So the side of his head is just here. And then there seems to be like a hair spike there. There. And then this seems to just go kind of bump. There's a part of his hair here. And then it goes just around this way. So his hair quite long hanging down, right? So kind of doubles as his neckline. Right, and his hair as well. And the hair will just long hang down here from the ear. That sort of joins his neck area here. So this is like blue sort of long hair. So no neck muscles or anything because Cyberpunk. So he has like top of a shirt sort of thing, and then some of these squares to say like put the top of the shirt here. And so it just comes in. And it kind of like zigzags down like so, right? It's like a mirror image of the other side. And then another Cyberpunk situation here. Like collarbones, but not really collarbones. And then there is those rectangles that they tend to have. And then this like doubles up as neck muscles. Like so. So he has a big jacket collar. Going down there. Back in. And then this goes off that way. Same on this side. That way. And then we go back in, down into there, and then off the page that way. And there's like extra lines on the inside here, just more cyberpunk style stuff. And so fur goes all the way up to here. Just this spiky zigzag sort of fur jacket. Same on this side. Like so. And shoulder goes off here. And shoulder goes off here. Oh yeah, and there's a couple of those cyberpunk black boxes just there. Boom. The one, the only Jimmy Kurosaki. Can't even remember him in the show. Can't even remember who he was or anything. Anyway, there he is. Hope it's helpful, Emmanuel. Thanks for the support on Patreon as usual. Anyone else with requests of stuff that I might not normally draw, or even stuff that I do draw and I can't see it in the YouTube comments, head to Patreon or send me a super thanks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.